In this video demo, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment to your teacher that was created in Schoology using the Kami app. Before you begin, you want to make sure that you are working on a web browser that has the Kami extension installed. On all of our school devices, the Kami extension has been pre-installed for you on the Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started. So I'm going to go down into my course and I'm going to look for the assignment I need to work on. So I can see here I have this assignment that's coming up, so I'm going to click on this assignment and I'm going to see my instructions from my teacher, and then you will see a document that I'm going to be working on, and then you should see a button that says Open Assignment with Kami. If you don't see this button, that means you are working on a browser where the Kami extension has not been installed. This is a free installation if you are working on a non-school device and need to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Open Assignment with Kami. And if this is the first time that you are using Kami, you might be prompted to log in. If you are, you will see a button that says With Microsoft, and you can log in with your Microsoft email address and password. So now the document has been created for me, and I have all of these tools on the left that I can use to complete this assignment. So if you rest your cursor on any of these tools, it'll tell you what it is. I'll review a few of them for you, but we have a text highlighter, freehand highlighter, box highlighter, and you have your colors down here. You also have text boxes, so if you just want to type on your document, you can click this. You can choose your font size. You also have your free drawing tools here, so if you're going to be annotating and using your stylus or your finger, you have this option here. And you also have your eraser. So this will, top one will erase individual marks, and if you want to delete everything on the page that you wrote, you can click all annotations. As you add content to your assignment, everything that you are drawing or writing is saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Once you are completed, you're going to look at this toolbar at the top and you're going to come to the button that says Turn In. So I'm going to click on Turn In, and then I will see another button that says Turn In. And what it's doing now is it's exporting it, and we're going to jump back over to Schoology so we can make our final submission. So now we are back over to Schoology. This is just a quick link to our document, and all we need to do now is click Submit. And you'll know you're successful because you will see here that the assignment has been submitted. You can resubmit the assignment up until the due date of the assignment. Once the due date passes, you will no longer be able to submit. Anything that you have submitted using Kami will also be stored in your OneDrive in a folder called Kami Schoology Assignments. I hope this video helped, and good luck.